Welcome back, all master designers. In this video, we're going to be drawing Devastator. Well, this is actually part 1 of a Devastator video. Well, actually, this is going to be a big surprise, but this is going to be a 2-part special, and in the second part, I'm going to draw the original classic Devastator just for you guys. And before I get started on that, I'm going to show you the 6 Constructicons from the original Revenge of the Fallen line. And this is the Supreme Class Constructicon Devastator. The one that I've wanted since I was young, and finally I got it. Okay, so these are the 6 Constructicons. Okay, we got Mixmaster, Rampage, Long Haul, Scrapper, Hightower, and Scavenger. So anyways, each one has their own specific personality and different sizes, depending on their size. Long Haul and Rampage down here, they are deluxe class figures. They are each one of these Constructicons are based on what class? Long Haul and Rampage are deluxe class here, and each Transformer is classified for what they are. We got Legends, Scout, Deluxe, Voyager, Leader class, and Supreme class. Technically, there's 6, and Long Haul and Rampage are Deluxe. Hightower and Scrapper are Voyager, and Mixmaster and Scavenger here are Leader class. Awesome, huh? So here is Rampage here. He's a bulldozer, and a cool feature is that the thing goes up and down the bucket. And in the series, Rampage is red, and I think they replaced that one with this yellow Rampage. I don't know why. I think his name is Hijack or Forklift. Hold on. Not sure. I'll figure it out soon. Okay, so this here is Long Haul. He's a dump truck, and basically his lower half can't open, but I have the Voyager class Long Haul. I do have the Voyager class Long Haul, though. Back in the old days, people used to collect Constructicons in order to make their own Supreme Class Devastator, because the original Devastator was really expensive. Good thing I got it for Christmas, huh? That's a good charm. Thank you, Enterfly. Now, here is Scrapper, one of the Constructicons that was seen in Transformers Animated when he lost his memory. Remind me I have to draw him real soon. And the one thing about Scrapper is that you can detach this hook and move this thing down. That allows him to move the bucket up. Now we have Hightower. This is one of the Constructicons I've never seen, because back then he used to be called Hook, based on this. I've never seen his robot form until now. And here's his panel here. And he's usually good at picking good stuff up if you like to go to the beach or pick up a sandbox. It's like Thomas and Friends, Jack and Alfie. Well, they make a good duo, though. Well, technically, these kind of cranes are used for construction. Okay, so next up is the Leader class. We got Scavenger. This is the biggest of the Constructicons. He does have a counterpart named Demolisher. I think the two are brothers. And here's the Decepticon Mark, and the A's have been cut out. And here's the claw here. You see, the claw can be reattached like this, and there. Now it can dig upwards like this, like when you go up to the beach. The one thing is you can't hold back the sand because of this hole. Hey, Mom, can you give me a second, please? I'm doing a video.
Okay. I needed to do two more things.
Could you, do it outside, please?
No, I'm not going to do it now. I'm just saying in general. Do your thing. I'm not going to talk.
Okay. So, anyways, Scavenger is, well, one of the biggest. And, in here's the cockpit. In this panel here, I have no idea. But here's the back side. This is what put the cables together. Here's the cables for the back. And these parts here, that's where the legs go. And lastly, there's Mixmaster. In the TV series, and the toy line, Mixmaster is the leader of the Constructicons, and I always thought that was Scrapper, but it looks like they gave it a name change. He's also seen in Transformers Animated. They also made some homemade Constructicons online on Transformers Animated. As you can see, two of the pieces are missing because, you know, this thing is old. When this thing rolls, he makes a noise, but I took the batteries out because it was really annoying, even to most people. Anyways, let's get, and, oh shoot, sorry about that, folks. Phew, that was a close call. Almost smashed it there. And, well, this here is the mixed load. In the toy line, he's a triple changer. He has the ability to transform into a tank. For Rampage here, he has the ability. He is also a triple changer. He has the ability to. He has a Mecha Live gimmick that he's spring loaded, like a jackhammer or something. What? I saw PL's videos. Anyways, some of this thing, the engine is detachable, but oh god, I'm sorry you had to see that, folks, but I don't know why the toy vendors made that a feature. Okay, guys, let's get started on assembling Devastator. Okay, let's go. Alright, give it away, Mixmaster! Constructicons, unite! Form Devastator! Okay, let's get started. Let's start off with the lower half, the legs. To form for Rampage, in order to transform, you need to pull up, then move the shoe up here, then move it down here. That's the left leg. Now for Long Haul, you need to take this part here, this piece, move it up. There's a cable here that snaps it right into place. Then there's the leg. He might not be able to move down, but he moves up. Now here is Scrapper. You just plug this thing in. There we go. Now we just move the cable. We just move these fingers out of the way. Oh, sorry. These fingers came out. Now we just move around. We just move this 180 degrees. Then move the fingers in. Same thing with this one. Careful, they're really fragile. Now that is a really big claw. I love this one. Next up is Hightower. Okay, here's Hightower's body. You just move the tank treads up. Then you move it forward. Move the tank treads in. Make sure they align with the wheels. Then you just move this part back, or you can move it forward wherever you like. You can turn it into a weapon. And next up is Mixmaster. I'd save the torso for last. And there's this really cool feature I like to add. Let's see. Hold on, let me just get the batteries out. There we go. Now here are some batteries lines in here. There we go. In here. Then you just move this one in here. See? I told you, it makes this really loud noise, but for some reason, there's a reason why they stopped making Mixmaster in the show, because when you roll him, he wouldn't shut up! Great. Here it goes again. Now, we just take this panel back here. Here's his head. Then you just snap it in here. And when you do that, this happens. That's the best part. He says his face. Now we just move these lines back. Now for the body here. This thing. We just move the claw and we just move it up. We just take the crane and plug, you reverse it. There we go. There we go. Now we just take the panels here, move it back. We know who you are. We just take this, move it to the back. Then you just take the pieces here and separate them like so. Then you just move it down. Then you just snap them right into place. There are two lines here beneath the tank treads. Should have showed you that. It does roll well. Well, kind of rolls well. There we go. Now we just move this panel to the back. Or, then you just snap it right into place. Or you could just move it up here if you want. But mostly you just snap it into place like so. There. Now you just form Devastator. Scrapper's Claw goes first. Then Hightower. Then Rampage and Longhaul's legs. And last but not least, Devastator's head. And now he's complete. That's how you draw Devastator. That's part one of Devastator. This is robot mode Devastator. And, well, I like the way he looks. Okay, so this big guy, let me show you. This is not exactly how Devastator looks like in the movie, but this is what Devastator looked like in the toy line before they started the go and collect Constructicons in order to make your own Constructicon Devastator. Anyways, this is Devastator itself, and this is the fun feature about Devastator. Besides that the pincer claws, that the mouthpieces are movable and wobbly. I think these are mandibles. What is he, a bug? Okay, so there's this lever here. You pull up, and he makes a few voices. This is his special feature. When you look inside of his mouth, it has a light show. And you can make the voice, and you can make the mouth move, like in different variations. Get ready, folks. Time for the vortex. And there's another thing about Devastator. When he opens his mouth, he sucks things in, and he turns them into dust. And it's a pretty awesome feature. Okay, another thing about Devastator is that you can pull this piece up, the turret. It shows the back of his mouth. It's pretty awesome. There we go. You remember when he destroyed Mudflap, right? And when you pull these panels back, you can see the inside. You can see the lines here. This thing is really old. You feeling alright, old guy? Maybe the thing isn't snapped in. Let's look inside of his mouth one last time. And